The slope of a graph is defined as the ratio of its rise over run. In other words, how much it goes up versus how much it goes over. So if we look at this graph, a good way to zone in is to look at a couple exact points it goes through. I'm going to zoom in here and look at two specific points on the graph. First, I'm going to look at 1, 3, and secondly, I'm going to look at the point 3, 6. Now let's figure out the rise over the run between these. The rise can be seen along this red line, so it's 1, 2, 3 units it goes up during the same time. It goes over 1, 2 units. Therefore, we have a rise over a run of 3 over 2, and we can say that our slope is 3 over 2. And because it's a ratio, it represents a ratio of two quantities, it's best to just leave like that rather than rewrite it as a mixed number or as a decimal number. So we can just say our slope, in this case, is 3 over 2. Thank you.